this is Sana from Woman Scribbles, and today we're making vanilla Swiss roll. If you're new here, I am from the blog Woman Scribbles. Hello. Today we're making one of my favorite cakes, and it's called vanilla Swiss roll, and it's so simple. It is dusted with powdered sugar. It is not heavily laden with icing, and it is simply filled with whipping cream with an optional accent of strawberry jam. So let's begin. We are going to use a 15 by 10 inch baking pan for this recipe. How we set up this pan is crucial to this recipe. We're going to grease the pan with cooking spray, then top the pan with a piece of parchment paper. You're going to grease the parchment paper as well. So now we have prepared the pan, and let's get on to the baking. 4 egg yolks, and we're gonna whisk that until it's light in color. Sugar. Next, we're gonna add the milk, the oil, and vanilla extract. Sift together flour and baking powder over that yolk mixture. Just stir the mixture until it's smooth and free of any streaks of flour. Now I have here 4 egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, and we're just gonna beat that until soft peaks form. Once soft peaks form, we are going to gradually add 1/4 cup of sugar to the mixing bowl and continue beating until firm peaks form. Now fold the beaten egg whites to the yolk mixture in 3 to 4 additions until the batter is smooth and streak-free. We're going to pour that in the prepared baking pan, and we're going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. Slide the cooled cake along with the parchment onto a cooling rack. Dust the top with powdered sugar and top it with a piece of parchment paper. Top the cake with a piece of a baking sheet of the same size and turn everything over. Now peel off the parchment backing and reposition that parchment over the cake. Top the cake again with another baking sheet and turn everything over. The cake is now once again on its right side up. Now we are ready to fill and roll the cake. Then let's make the filling. 1 cup of whipping cream, which is very cold. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 6 tablespoons of icing sugar, and beat everything together until it is thick and fluffy. Spread 1/2 cup of strawberry jam over the cake, and then spread the whipped cream on top. Make sure to leave about 1/2 inch of border along the edges, and then roll the cake. It helps to hold the parchment paper to help you to roll the cake forward and to lift the cake as you go along. As you reach the end, wrap the cake in the parchment and kind of press and pat the shape to reinforce the roundness. Then gently unwrap the cake and dust it with powdered sugar. If you desire, you can trim the end of the cake for a neat look, and you're done. I hope you enjoy this cake as much as we do. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you again for more baking recipes.